Dear colleagues, I am Dr. Anil Shah from Suryakant Eye Hospital. In this video, our aim is to remove grade 3 cataract without phaco. 3.5 mm keratome is used to make a limbal corneal tunnel incision. Now with bent 26 gauge needle cystitome, circular excision is performed. Circular excision is completed. With 2.8 keratome, internal opening is made more than the external opening. Now epinucleus and nucleus is separated by irrigating cannula. With the irrigating cannula, nucleus and epinucleus is separated. Epinucleus comes out of the wound. Now the nucleus is prolapsed into the anterior chamber. Snare is used to bisect the nucleus into two halves. Loop is made smaller when it goes into the wound, and once it crosses the tunnel, the loop size is adjusted according to the size of the nucleus. Here the now nucleus is rotated so as to bring other half of the nucleus for trisection. Chamber is filled with the viscous. Viscous is injected all around so as to make the nucleus free floating. Nucleus should not be attached to iris or endothelium. Again, snare is used. Loop is made smaller when it is entering, and once it crosses the tunnel, the loop size is adjusted according to the size of the nucleus. The first attempt was failed, so the second attempt is done. Without moving the nucleus, the snare loop engages the nucleus. Once it overrides the center of the nucleus, handle is pulled so that the loop gets constricted. When the loop gets constricted, it is away from the endothelium and it is away from the posterior capsule, so there is no damage to endothelium or posterior capsule. Now with thin long McPherson forceps, each fragments are removed. Each fragments are separated by viscous. Now the central fragment is removed by thin long McPherson forceps. Hold the McPherson forceps along the entire length of the nucleus. Cortical cleanup is done and bimanual eye is used to remove cortex and epinucleus. I always use bimanual eye With bimanual eye, you can remove all the quadrants of the epinucleus and cortical matter. Subincisional cortex is also easily removed. Now a hydrophobic lens is implanted in the bag. In the bag, implantation of the upper haptics is done. With the irrigation, viscous and debris of the cortical matter are washed out. Air is injected, chamber is formed, antibiotic is injected. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Hope you like this technique.